Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking basics that often solve the issue fast. First, make sure airplane mode is off and your phone's Wi-Fi toggle is on. This reconnects radios. Next, look at the router's lights and power cycle it if indicators show errors. This clears temporary faults. Also confirm you have the correct SSID and password ready so you don't waste time guessing. Once done, move to the phone's network settings to manage the connection details. You now dig into settings to reset the link between phone and router. Forget the problematic Wi-Fi network, rescan, and rejoin with the exact password to rule out saved credential errors. If multiple networks fail, reset network settings to clear corrupt profiles. Just be mindful this removes saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth pairings. Make sure the phone is using DHCP rather than a misconfigured static IP. Renew the lease to get a fresh address. These steps address most connectivity mismatches. You finish by synchronizing devices and checking software. Restart both phone and router, waiting 30 to 60 seconds before powering back on so cache is clear and DHCP renews. This often fixes stubborn issues. Then update your phone's OS and the router firmware because compatibility bugs get resolved in updates. Finally, test the network with another device. If it connects, the phone is the problem. If not, the router or ISP likely is, and if still...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.